I have this Fenty Beauty container. That's what we're going to use for our homemade toner. I begin to add some crystals. I also decided to dilute the toner with the rest of the rose hydrosol. Since the base is apple cider vinegar, which can dry out your skin by itself, you can dilute this with aloe vera water or gel, glycerin, or hydrosol. In my case, I am using the rest of my rose infused hydrosol plus 0.5% of Germol plus. Next, let's make some face and body oil, 2 in 1. I have been using my own blended face oil and I absolutely love it. This time I am adding organic hemp seed oil and few drops of lavender essential oil to my mixture of rose infused coconut and olive oil. Here I am using 4-ounce spray bottle, 2-ounce rose infused and coconut olive oil, 1 ounce of hemp seed oil. I did 3 drops of lavender essential oil here, but later on I added 20 more drops of lavender essential oil, 5 ounces of polysorbate 80, and that is my mixture. So if you want, you can go ahead and add some crystals, you can add some dry herbs in there, whatever you like. Make sure you shake it well and it's ready to use. So I wanted to give this a test, and you can see after using the toner how my skin looks. It looks very hydrating. And I am now using the oil mix that we just blended, and look how it just soaked into my skin. And we're going to go ahead and spray some hydrosol just to finish it up. This just completes your morning routine or nighttime routine. Look how hydrated my left hand is, and look at my right hand. Now look at both of them. Look how shiny my hands are. That oil can actually be used for either your face and your skin. Let me know how you feel after using this. Now let's check and finish up our chamomile hydrosol. Chamomile hydrosol is gentle, soothing, and relaxing. It is useful in calming the skin, preventing dryness, flaking, and itching from rashes and eczema. It's time to remove and collect our fresh homemade chamomile hydrosol. Hydrosol has similar healing properties as essential oils, but they are much less concentrated and better. You can use hydrosol at any time. They make great refresher throughout the day. They absorb very easily, making them great to apply before and after moisturizing your skin. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this sort of videos from me, make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.